Hi, I'm Dustin, and welcome to the Synergy Workshop. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a cutoff wheel safely. The most important thing to do when using a cutoff wheel is to keep your eyes on what you're doing at all times. You just can't be looking around and just, I got a boo-boo.
Don't let accidents catch you unprepared. The new Synergy Survival First Aid Kit has everything you need to get yourself out of a jam.
I think I need a doctor.
Everything you need. It includes a tactical flashlight, tactical poncho, tactical 75-piece FDA-grade first aid supplies, tactical fishing equipment, tactical emergency blanket, and a multi-tool. Now let's get you patched up.
Thanks, Synergy, for this awesome first aid survival kit.